Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I just want to show you how you can screen record your iPhone, okay? So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. So to record your screen, you just have to scroll down from here. And here you can see right now I'm recording my screen. So that's why you can see the red icon here. So in your phone, you may see this icon without the red dot, okay? And if you can't find this option here, then you just have to go to settings. And from here, you have to go to control center, okay? So here you can see in the included controls I have added this screen recording, okay? So you have to add this screen recording to your control center, and after that, once you will add this to your control center, then you just have to scroll down from here and you will see this screen recording option at the bottom, okay? So for recording the screen with voice, you have to long press on this icon, and after that you will get the option of microphone, okay? So you have to turn that on and your sound will also record with your video, okay? So that's how you can screen record your iPhone. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.